Hey guys, I just want to take a quick second to talk to you about dump trailer safety. We were supposed to pre-trip our trailers and trucks before we take off, and generally we catch most things, but there's something here that escaped me, and I want to share it with you. I had no idea that the center pin in my walking beam was so wore out. It was about to lose me here. I want you guys just to think about that. You can't really see it. I'm pretty good about checking my lug nuts and everything, and proactive about my wheel bearings and brakes. Those are all new again. But I never had any idea that this was so, the only reason why I'm changing them out, I got these cheapies off Amazon because, this was showing up. But look at the bottom side here. You can't see that when it's bolted in there, and I didn't think to look from the bottom. Just be aware of that. These center pins, this whole kit, now these are greasable. The originals weren't. Get them changed out.